Hi, this is Mary Kynard, and I'm doing assignment 5 on the instructional design model. The one I chose was Morrell Instructional Design Model. The reason I like the Morrell is because it has an overview of adding new information into old information. The center of the diagram for the Morrell design is the problem itself. And then you have to activate it, you have to demonstrate it, you have to apply it, and then integrate it. The first part of the Morrell design is to make the problem the center, like the picture demonstrated on the last slide. Then comes the activation portion, which incorporates old knowledge into new knowledge and incorporates two into a new idea altogether. This now becomes the knowledge to use from now on. The third process in Morrell's design is demonstration. Learning comes from incorporating the process and being able to demonstrate the process the student has learned. Fourth process is application. If a student is able to apply the design to the application, this is the process that a student will use from the new knowledge, to solve problems. They can do this on their own now that they have the knowledge that they will need. The fifth and final step to Morrell design is integration. The integration is a success when the user can use the knowledge in their daily lives. Strengths and weaknesses of the instructional design. The strength in the Morrell instructional design model is the main focus on how the student will succeed in this model. The phases encourage the instructor to organize the information that best engages the student to learn. Students engage in real-world scenarios with other students and instructors. The Morrell instructional design is based on experimental research which the student will need to grow into the information. This model is a hands-on demonstration and needs to also be proven by the information given. The weaknesses of the Morrell instructional design is that the design is based on old and new information being put together. There must be old information available to include the new information and to come up with a new formula altogether. If there is no old information, then this design could not be used. This must have time and demonstrations to gain new knowledge and acquire skills to use the information. The instructional design must have the location, materials, and equipment for the students to apply new knowledge. The next pages are my references that I used. Thank you.